Hello! In this tutorial video, we will explain how to use the Xsens Cometa EMG integration to record EMG data simultaneously with the MVN data. First, connect the Cometa receiver station to the computer and turn on the receiver station. Make sure to prepare the skin and place the sensors according to the Cometa guidelines. When all EMG sensors are placed, set up the MVN system. For more information on setting up the MVN systems, please see our system setup tutorials. When both systems are operational, open the Xsens Analyze Pro software. Go to Options and select the Cometa EMG. Select the Enable plugin box and select the number of sensors you would like to use. When everything is set, you can close the window. Open the Motion Capture Configuration window and select the External Data tab. Select the External Data box. The sensors will become visible in the list. If the sensors are not listed, click the Scan Hardware button. The hardware will become visible in approximately 10 seconds. Select the sensors you would like to use and add or change the name of the sensor by a double click in the third column. Click on the Body Dimensions tab and set the body dimensions. For more information on the body measurements, please see our body measurements tutorial. Perform the Xsens calibration and apply the results when standing in M pose. For more information on the calibration, please see our calibration tutorials. When the calibration is applied, the EMG data can be visualized in graphs in the live view and during or after a recording. The live EMG data in the MVN graphs will be shown at the same sampling frequency as the Xsens kinematic data. However, the EMG data during the recording will be saved with the original sampling frequency. After the recording, 3 different files will be saved. The MVNS file can be directly opened in MVN and will show the kinematic and EMG data simultaneously. The MVNE file provides solely the EMG data. Open the MVNS file and HD reprocess the data. Add graphs to visualize the data. To export a file with EMG data, go to File, select Export, select Export a file. Choose the preferred format and make sure to select the external data in the Show Options tab. Click Export and the data will be exported. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For more information, please check our tutorial and knowledge base pages. In the need of support, please send an email to support@xsens.com.